Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style or font size in Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to change your font style or size in your phone, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open your phone settings app, open it, and then scroll down and look for display and brightness. Select it, and here you will get the option of font style and font size. You just have to select which one you want to customize. I'm going to customize my font size. Select it, and here you can easily increase or decrease your font size which you want. As I have increased it to largest. After that, just go back, and here you will get the font style option. Select it, and here you will get different fonts in your phone. If you want to download more, you just have to tap on download more, and you can easily get different fonts. You can easily buy them or download them for free. And after that, just go to settings, and here you will get your downloaded fonts. You have to select which you want to set. As I want to set this one, so just tap on it, then select apply. So after that, your phone font will be changed. So that's how you can easily change or your font style or font size in your Vivo Y200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.